Want to make money online while AI does 80% of the work? Imagine selling logos, ebooks, templates, and AI-generated art without designing anything yourself. In this video, I'll show you how to use AI tools like Canva AI, MidJourney, and DALL to generate high-demand digital products and sell them on Etsy, Gumroad, and Fiverr for passive income. Stick around because I have a bonus trick at the end to boost your sales fast. Let's go! First, you need to decide what kind of digital products to sell. Here are some best-selling AI-generated digital products: logos and branding kits, printable planners and journals, AI-generated art and wall prints, social media templates, ebooks and digital guides. Pro tip for you, please visit Etsy and Fiverr and search for best-selling digital products in these categories. If others are making money, so can you. Now let's use AI to generate these digital products for free or at a low cost. Here are my top AI tools. Canva AI. Create logos, business cards, planners, and social media templates. MidJourney AI generates stunning digital art to sell as posters, NFTs, or prints. DALL AI create AI-generated stock photos and illustrations for marketing and branding kits. Pro tip for all of you, if you don't want to do this yourself, outsource it on Fiverr for cheap and still make a profit. Here's a secret trick to skyrocket your sales fast. Use AI to automate everything. Use ChatGPT or Jasper AI to write SEO, friendly product descriptions and ads. Use Copy.ai to generate marketing copy for social media. Use ads automation to run AI-powered Etsy and Gumroad promotions. The more AI does for you, the more passive income you generate. So there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to make money selling AI-generated digital products. Comment below, which AI tool are you excited to try first? Smash that like button if this video helped you. Subscribe for more AI money-making secrets every week. See you in the next video.